Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make homemade ricotta. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna pour milk, boil until the cream starts to separate. And turn off the induction hob. I'm gonna pour white wine vinegar. Stir until the light green whey pop up. And leave to stand for 10 minutes. I'm gonna strain through a fine sieve. Transfer to a bowl. Add cooking salt. And mix together. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!